Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply set up your scenes in Firefox browser in mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Firefox browser. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Firefox browser. It's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top right here. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Sync and Save Data. They take you right here. Now you have different options to sign in order to synchronize your data on Firefox across anywhere. And one of the first options here is ready to scan. So you can use scan QR code to connect, or better still, use email instead. So in this tutorial, I'm going to simply use email instead. So next thing I'm going to do is to enter my email right here. So I'm going to simply enter my Gmail account. Then after you enter your email account, click on sign up or sign in. Then the next thing you need to do is to enter your account password. Next thing you need to do is to click on sign in. Then click on save. And a 6-digit code is going to be sent to the mail you provide. What you need to do is to head over to the mail and copy the code. So right here, I have my code right here, 209042. Then I'll simply click on confirm. So it's as simple as that. So with that, you can bookmark, save password, browse off or phone using your Mozilla Firefox browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.